3 free AI platforms, 1 brand new Seedance 2.5 model, and a secret method that gives you unlimited free video generation credits on Flow every single day. Today, I'm benchmarking Flow, Dola AI, and JXP on the same cinematic prompts: image generation, video animation, prompt accuracy, and output quality, all tested live. And I'm saving the best for last, because the final platform in today's video is producing results so realistic, you're going to question everything you thought you knew about free AI video generation. Stay to the very end, because that last reveal is genuinely mind-blowing. Alright, so let's kick things off with Flow, and I want to start here because Flow is the platform I've been building my content pipeline around for a while now, and there are some things about its image and video generation workflow that I want to show you in more detail today. All prompts for today's benchmark are coming from Claude. It's the AI tool I use for prompt generation across almost every video on this channel. And I'm going to be dropping every single prompt from today's video in my Discord. So if you want the exact prompts I'm using, join up from the link in the description and grab them from there. First, let's configure the image generation settings inside Flow. Set the output format to image, aspect ratio to 16:9, model to Nano Banana Pro, and set the output count to 2 images so we can compare variations and pick the strongest result. And here's something worth paying attention to right away. You can see, the credit cost for this generation shows 0. Flow's image generation is completely free and unlimited on the base tier. No credit cost, no daily cap, generate as many images as you want. That's a significant advantage when you're building a high-volume content pipeline. Prompt is copied from Claude and pasted in. Let's hit generate. And here are our 2 generated outputs, and look at the detail on these. These are some more unconventional, cinematic prompts that most people aren't working with yet, and Flow handled them impressively well. Strong prompt accuracy, clean rendering, the visual atmosphere is exactly what the brief called for. If you want these specific prompts, they're all waiting in my Discord. Now, let's animate one of these into a cinematic video clip using Flow's video generation engine. Switch the mode to video. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Set the model to OmniFlash. And I'm queuing up 2 video variations so we can pick the strongest output. This generation is going to pull 20 credits from our allocation for a 6-second clip. And I know what some of you are thinking right now. What happens when those credits run out? I'm going to show you the exact method to keep Flow running free and unlimited at the end of this video, so stay with me. Add the image, grab the motion prompt from Claude, paste it in, and hit generate. And there is the result. Flow's video generation model is doing something that most free AI video tools don't. It's producing built-in ambient sound that matches the visual environment of the clip. The motion prompt I wrote for this was structured in a storytelling format, which is why the video plays out across 2 distinct scene moments rather than a single continuous motion. Now let's move into the second platform on today's benchmark. And this one is a newly released free AI tool called Dollar AI. I came across this platform recently, and it's been producing some results that are genuinely worth showing you. So let's walk through the full workflow. Here's the interface. Clean and straightforward layout with image generation, video generation, writing tools, and a pro mode for advanced AI processing, all available from the same dashboard. Let's start with image generation. The model is already set to CDream 4.5. We're leaving it there. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Style to landscape, and let's grab a fresh prompt from Claude. Prompt is pasted in. Hit generate. Output displays. And here's what Dollar AI delivered. And honestly, that is a striking output. The visual style on this render has a cinematic, almost avatar-like quality to it. Rich environmental detail, strong color depth, and the composition is genuinely impressive for a completely free platform. I'm saving the strongest variation, and we're pushing it straight into video generation. Now, in the video generation section, set the model to Seedance 2.5, duration to 5 seconds, aspect ratio to 16:9. Drop in the image, paste in the motion prompt from Claude, and hit generate. And there's the video output from Dollar AI. And look at that cinematic texture. There's a strong anime-influenced aesthetic to the rendering that gives the footage a really distinctive visual identity. The Seedance 2.5 model is handling the motion well. The ambient audio is present in the output, and the overall quality is solid for a completely free platform. Now, I want to be transparent. This output doesn't quite reach the level of the first and last platforms in today's benchmark. But Dollar AI is free. It's unlimited. And for a newly released platform, it's off to a strong start. Link is in the description. Go test it yourself and let me know what results you pull. Now let's get into the final platform. And this is the one I want you to pay close attention to. Because what Seedance 2.5 produces inside JXP is in a completely different category from everything else we've benchmarked today. We're starting with image generation using Nano Banana Pro inside JXP. Here's the setup. Paste in the image prompt from Claude. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, output format to PNG, and push the resolution all the way to 4K. Hit Generate Image. Credit cost, 4 credits. 4 credits for a 4K image generation from one of the strongest image models available right now. That is an extremely efficient credit-to-output ratio. And JXP's daily free credit allocation means you can run multiple generation sessions every day without spending anything. Use this platform while the free tier is still this generous, because platforms at this quality level don't stay free forever. Output displays. And here is the result macro shot of a single teardrop mid-fall inside a tiny ocean. Now I want you to think about how unusual and specific that prompt is for a second. That's not a standard cinematic scene description, it's an abstract, technically challenging visual concept. And JXP's Nano Banana Pro model rendered it with stunning accuracy and detail. The prompt adherence here is exceptional. Saving this image, we're pushing it into Seedance 2.5 for video animation right now. Here's the Seedance 2.5 video generation interface inside JXP. Upload the image, paste in the motion prompt from Claude, confirm the model is set to Seedance 2.5, set resolution to 720p, aspect ratio to 16:9, and duration to 8 seconds. Credit cost for this generation is 40 credits. Hit Generate and let the model process. Output displays. And there it is, and I'll say it plainly. That is one of the most realistic AI-generated video outputs I have benchmarked on this channel. The motion is fluid and intentional. The visual atmosphere is cinematic at a level that competes with paid platforms, and the overall quality of that footage is good enough to post anywhere: TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and pull serious engagement. Post this with no context, and most people are not going to know it was AI-generated. Seedance 2.5 on JXP is currently the most capable free AI video generation combination I've tested, and I'm confident saying that. Now here's the temp mail method I promised you, the step that keeps Flow's video generation free and unlimited no matter how many times your credits run out. Open your browser and search temp mail. Click the first result. The platform instantly generates a random disposable email address for you. Copy that email address, head back into Flow, and sign out of your current account. On the Flow sign-up page, paste in your temp mail address as your email and complete the registration. Flow will send a verification code to your temp mail inbox. Head back there, copy the code, paste it into Flow, and finish the sign-up process. Just like that brand new Flow account, fresh 50 credit allocation, ready to generate. Temp mail generates unlimited disposable addresses, so you can repeat this process every time your credits run low and keep your generation pipeline running indefinitely for free. All links are in the description. Drop a like if this breakdown gave you value. Leave a comment telling me which platform you're testing first, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.